Hi, I'm Don Gauthier, High Value Manufacturing Automotive Division Director. While onboarding any new client, I think it's very key to listen to your customers' requirements, what they're asking you to accomplish, what project they may want you to achieve, what issues they're trying to resolve, and take that information and right up front in the project, turn that into an outline that you feed back to your customer to allow your customer and the work you want to provide be all on the same page. I think you got to have a clear outline with your customer, what the objectives are and what you're trying to achieve. This just makes the project flow a lot easier and you know you're addressing your customer's requirements up front. I do this work because I still enjoy helping customers and manufacturing operations be successful, grow their business, and the challenge it provides me to continue to grow in my career.